Hi, it's Adam from Countrywide, Derbyshire. Today, I want to explain why exterior cleaning is becoming such an important part of what we do here at Countrywide. The outside of a site is often the first thing that a customer, a member of staff, a parent or a visitor will get to see. Dirty paving, a stained building can often make the whole place just look poorly maintained. It's not just about appearances either. Moss and algae can make your pathways, your entrances become slippy. You're creating unnecessary risks, and that's for your staff and your visitors. Exterior cleaning can also help protect and prolong the lifespan of some of your surfaces. For example, algae that's on cladding will trap moisture against it, and it will start to break down that protective coating, and it will speed up how fast that surface starts to decay. We can clean everything from walkways to car parks to play areas to smoking shelters and building exteriors.